Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. And I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. So, this is your reading for 8 Lions Gate portal, which is coming on 8th August 2021. Okay, so I was receiving the guidance that I have to make guidance and the energies and the messages to all zodiac signs. So I'm going to make, for the first time, I'm going to make on a video on all zodiac signs, but I'm starting with my Aquarius. Okay, so now let's start the reading and let's see what are the messages. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you, but if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius. Take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. So let's start this reading and let's see what are the messages for my beautiful magical beings Aquarius for 8 Lions Gate portal, which we call portal also or gate also. So let's see. So first of all, I'm going to start with that what is 8 Lions Gate. Okay, what is this Lions Gate portal means? Okay, so this is the energy of Shiva, who is destroying everything in order to clear the way for new creation. Okay, Aquarius, anything which is not serving your highest good, okay, so that is going to end in your life, so that you can create something new. Okay, new creations are happening for you. This is a fire energy, this is the Leo energy, the fire, the passion, the creativity. Okay, so this is a time for activation of the star seeds, of the light workers, and all the twin flames who are on this planet Earth right now, so that they can get on their soul purpose as soon as possible. The DNA activations are happening, the ascension are happening, the chakras are happening for all of these. This is a time to step into your power, Aquarius. Okay, so it is opening on 28th July 2021 to 8th August 2021. So this is going to end on 8th August 2021, and this is the Leo gate. So this was the thing which I need to tell you on the Lions Gate. Now in this reading, I'm going to tell you that what are the energies and messages for 8 portal for you, Aquarius, and what are the angel numbers, then what things you need to surrender, what are the crystal spirits, what are the soul lessons, what are the love messages, what is your life purpose you are heading to, and what are the numerology and moonology messages for you. So let's start your reading and let's see, my lovely Aquarius, what are the messages. Okay, so let's start. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the important messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius for 8 Lions Gate portal. Help me out in it. So I'm going to take one card for this, okay, from this, and I'm going to let's see what is the message you need me to give. One message for Aquarius. Please give me one message for Aquarius. What are the messages for this 8 Lions Gate portal for my Aquarius? Okay, I got two messages for you, Aquarius. So the first message is unfinished symphony. So whatever unfinished symphony is there in your life, this is going to end in this Lions Gate, and you are becoming connected to the higher power. Can you see your third eye? Maybe you're getting the vibrations on your third eye, because your third eye is getting activated. You're getting connected to the higher power, okay, to the higher dimensions, to the your subconscious is getting activated. So that's very beautiful energy. Bottom of the deck, I am having imagine. That means that you are manifesting something, Aquarius, but this is the time to take a nap. Okay, take proper rest for you, Aquarius. Okay, this is the time to rest and rejuvenate yourself because your activations are happening. Many of the Aquarius can feel the vibrations on the third eye. Okay, third eye chakra and on your solar plexus or the scleral chakra. That can be a possibility here. See, the regeneration is happening. Can you see? This is beautiful energy, death and rebirth. That is what the energy is right now. Okay, so that's very beautiful energy here. You're going with a flow. Okay, so that's very beautiful. Now let's see what are the messages from the tarot. Please give me the messages, 5 messages for Aquarius. For Lions Gate energy, what are the energies for the month of 8/8 Lions Gate for the Aquarius? What are the messages? The Two of Cups. This is beautiful. Your love is coming for you, Aquarius. Then there is Queen of Cup. Let me see all the messages first. What are the messages for Aquarius? Wow, that is beautiful. What is the message for Aquarius? Please give me the messages for Aquarius. Wow, that's beautiful energy, Aquarius. This energy is bringing beautiful gifts for you, I can say that. And you already know this, okay? You already know this. You are in the energy of Queen of Swords, okay? You know this already, that things are going to change. And here also, while doing meditation, can you see the sun was there? So this is very beautiful energy, Aquarius. So someone is coming in your life with lot of love, okay, and you know that new happy beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius, and you are closing out the cycles here. I told you whatever unfinished symphony was there, 0707 was the recording reading time. Whatever unfinished symphony was left, whatever unfinished karma was left in your life, Aquarius, you are closing out the cycles in this in this time frame. Okay, we are closing out the world here. So this is beautiful. So that's what I'm having here. So there is someone who loves you a lot, Aquarius. This can be a water sign, but sign can be anyone. Okay, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Okay, sign can be anyone. Okay, signs you do not have to be fixed on the signs. But there is someone in your life who loves you a lot, Aquarius, and they're coming towards you with, can you see, lot of love is indicated for you. Ace of Cups, Queen of Cups and the Two of Cups. You both love each other a lot, Aquarius. I can say that. They're coming towards you to offer you lot of love, a cup which is full of emotion, fulfillment. Okay, right now you have to take care of yourself, Aquarius. Take proper sleep, okay? Take proper time for the nap, take proper rest, rejuvenate yourself. And this person is going to give you equal amount of give and take. 6 of Pentacles. This can be a Leo too. Okay, Leo can be a possibility, but this is what the energy is. Okay, the strength, they're gaining the strength, the confidence here. This is beautiful. The yellow card energy, lot of yellow energy is here, lot of Lions Gate energy is here, I can say that. Okay, new happy beginnings are coming for you in the month of 8/8 Lions Gate 2021. Okay, till the 8th August 2021. This is the sun. New happy beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius, in terms of love. I can see love offers which are coming for you, and you already know the truth. The Queen of Swords, this is your energy right now. You are in the energy of Queen of Swords. You already know that this is going to happen. Okay, this new love happy beginning is going to happen for you. You already know that. That's beautiful. So now let's see one message from the fortune reading card. What is the message for Aquarius? Please give me the message. One message for this reading for Aquarius, for Lions Gate portal. Maybe you can see lot of number synchronicities of 444. Okay, That can be a possibility. Dragonfly, have confidence during this time of great joy, renewal and connection to spirit. That's beautiful message. Okay, maybe you can see dragonfly and nearby you or anywhere, and there is dragonfly spirit around you who is saying you have confidence, because this is the time of renewal, okay, of your great joy, your connection to the spirit, because you are connecting to the higher power. Can you see how beautiful it is? I love this reading, Aquarius. It's always very beautiful to do your reading. I always told you this. Now let's see what is the color which is there for you, Aquarius. Please give me the color for the Aquarius for this reading. Wow. Violet. Okay, create a balanced life, and that's very important. You can use this color for balancing your life, Aquarius. Violet is the color for you, so this is beautiful. Now let me add one message from the Chakra Wisdom Oracle deck. What is the message for Aquarius? Please give me one message for Aquarius. Please give me one message. Okay, gossip. This is the heart chakra. Maybe some of Aquarius, you are center of attraction, I can say. That's the message I'm receiving. People are gossiping about you. 1133 11:33 is the recording reading time. People are around you are gossiping about you, that what Aquarius is doing. I do not know what is they doing, okay, but Aquarius are working on their passion, okay. They are getting recovery, okay. They're getting the recovery here, and they're discovering themselves. That's beautiful energy, okay. So someone is gossiping about you, okay. You are the center of attraction. That's the line I'm receiving here. They're thinking that why Aquarius are so happy, okay, what are Aquarius doing, okay. They're thinking like that. And what my Aquarius are doing, that they are working on their passions, on themselves, on discovering their souls, on doing the recovery. So that's very beautiful here. I love it. Let's see what is the animal spirit for you. What is the animal spirit for Aquarius for this reading? Please give me the message for Aquarius. One animal spirit. No, one animal spirit. Please give me one animal spirit. Wow. Okay. So this is a seahorse spirit. You need to wait and watch. Watch and wait. Okay. Right now you have to watch and wait. Okay. Seahorse spirit is there for you. That you have to watch and wait. Things are going to come together for you, Aquarius. But right now this is a time where you have to watch, wait and watch. Okay. Now let me make some space here. This is beautiful reading, Aquarius. Lot of love. Love is coming for you, Aquarius. They're gaining the strength. Okay, new happy beginnings are going on for you. You are recovering yourself. You're discovering yourself. Okay, so that's very beautiful. Now let's see what is the message from numerology for Aquarius. What is the message? Please give me one message for Aquarius for this reading. Please give me the message. Completion. That is beautiful. The world card, the completion. You're completing a cycle. Whatever unfinished symphony, whatever karma was balancing, whatever karma was left in your life, you're completing that cycles. Okay, you're closing out that cycles, you're completing that cycles. That's very beautiful energy, Aquarius. Okay, I love it. I love it. And can you see here again the violet color is here. Use violet color for yourself, Aquarius, where you can wear it. Okay, you can do meditation on violet color, and violet is also indicated the crown chakra. Okay, so that's very beautiful. Let's see what is the message from the Moonology deck. One message for this reading. Please give me one message. Please give me one message for Aquarius for this reading. Okay, I got two messages for you. So the first message for you is hold your vision, Aquarius. Okay, hold your vision. That's very important, to hold your vision so that you can get success in achieving your goal. So you need to hold your vision. So that's the message I'm receiving here. And the second is a personal issue reaches resolution, full moon in Cancer. Okay, so whatever issue you are going to resolve that. Okay, a personal issue is going to resolve, full moon in Cancer. So that's beautiful. Now let's see what is the message from power of surrender. What Aquarius needs to surrender, what are the things they need to surrender. Okay, please give me the message, one message, what Aquarius needs to surrender for this reading. What is the thing Aquarius needs to surrender? Wow. Okay, surrender your fear of change, Aquarius. Change is coming for you. Okay, change is coming for you. Definitely new happy beginnings are coming for you. Can you see? New happy beginnings are coming for you. You just need to surrender your fear of change. The universe is reminding you that you are cared for always, whether you are afraid of a change in your job, in your health, or in a relationship, or if you fear aging or death. Repeat the affirmation, I have faith that all is well. Okay, I have a faith that all is well. So that's beautiful message here. That's the thing you need to surrender. Okay, now let's see what is the soul lesson. What is the soul lesson which Aquarius needs to surrender? Please give me one soul lesson which Aquarius needs to learn for this reading, for this Lions Gate portal 88. Please give me what is the thing which Aquarius needs to learn. See, worry. I am learning that worry does not change an outcome. Okay, that's the soul lesson which you need to learn, Aquarius. Worry does not create anything positive. Okay, that cannot be changed anything. Okay, so you have to learn this soul lesson that worry does not change an outcome. Everything will happen according to the divine plan. So you have to be learning this soul lesson. That's what I'm receiving here. Okay, now let me see what is the life purpose you are having here. Okay, because many light workers, star seeds, twin flames are getting activation. They have to start working on their soul purpose, on their light of or their life purpose. So let's see what is the life purpose Aquarius is having. What is the life purpose Aquarius is having? Please give me what is the life purpose. Okay, what is the life purpose Aquarius is having? Any other life purpose? Any other life purpose? Okay. So I'm getting the three life purpose for you. First is crystals. Your connection to crystals and gemstones is a channel for healing energies. Some of you Aquarius can be using crystals, or your life purpose involves using crystals. Okay, crystal will help you out to do the channeling of the energy which you're receiving from the fifth dimension, from the universe, from the divine. So this is very important to learn that you are having crystals here. Can you see again, violet color is here. Violet color is important for you Aquarius. Then there is flowers. Working with flowers open your heart and brings blessings to others through your life purpose. So some of you are having the life purpose with flowers. Okay, if you work with flowers, that is your soul purpose, that is your life purpose. Start working with flowers here. Then there is justice. Your career brings fairness and protection to others who need your help. So that's the life purpose you are having, and it's very beautiful life purpose Aquarius, I can say that. So thank you for giving the message. Now let me add one message from the Quantum Oracle. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius for this reading? Okay, one message for this reading. Okay, so that's your energy, Aquarius. Maybe you are feeling fear. See, worry, fear of change. Okay, fear of change. You must be having the energy of fear, and what is that fear? Is the fear of change. But don't worry at all, because the success is coming for you. Can you see? Get out of this energy of fear, Aquarius, because the happy success is coming for you, because that is there in your consciousness. Okay, that you are going to get success, and yes, success is coming for you. Can you see? The sun is coming for you. You will be very happy. Okay, but you need to get out of this energy as soon as possible, Aquarius. So that's the message I'm receiving here. Okay, where is my deck? I lost it. I lost it. Where is my deck? Okay, here it is. Okay, let me see what is the message from the spell casting oracle deck for you, Aquarius. Yes, what is the message for this reading? Please give me the message which you need me to deliver. Okay, that's beautiful reading, and you can let me know in the comment section, Aquarius, if you want to tell me anything. Okay, because this is very beautiful reading, I can say that. Okay, so let's see what is the message for Aquarius. No, that just fell out from my hand. What is the message for Aquarius? Any other message? No. Wow. Courage and the life purpose. I told you, you are having a life purpose, Aquarius. Okay, can you see Lawrence energy again? Keep your courage, Aquarius. Keep your willpower and the courage with you, because you have a life purpose and you have to work on that, or start working on your life purpose as soon as possible. And this 8-8 Lawrence Gate portal is going to tell you that what is your life purpose, and you have to start as soon as possible. So keep your courage. Okay, so that's beautiful message here. Let me add message from the angels guide. What is the message for Aquarius? Please, angels, give me the message. What is the message for Aquarius for this reading? What is the message for Aquarius? What is the message you want me to deliver? Wow. You have to say no, okay, to the things which don't serve your highest good, Aquarius. Create healthy boundaries around yourself, okay? Create healthy boundaries around yourself, and lot of blessings and abundance are coming for you for in this portal. From this portal, can you see? Lot of abundance, lot of blessings are coming for you, and this is your this is the holy love. Okay, this is the love, this is a spiritual connection you are dealing with. This is the divine connection. You are in a spiritual connection with someone. Either it is your soulmate, your divine counterpart, or your twin flame. But this is the holy love, the divine love. Can you see? The divine is taking care of this love. This is beautiful. Thank you, angels, for giving the messages. Okay, I'll pick it up later on. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what is the message from the angels and ancestors for Aquarius. Please give me the message. Wow. Enjoy growth and reap rewards. Can you see? Take charge with authority. Lord and Lady, Emperor and the Empress. You are getting your, can you see, you getting your energy, Aquarius. You are right now in your Empress energy. Right now this is the time to reap the rewards, to enjoy the growth. Can you see? And your Emperor is also coming for you. They're coming here. Can you see? Emperor and the Empress both are here, the Lord and the Lady. So that's very beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from the Scare Destiny. This reading is going to be a little bit longer, but that's okay because I am receiving a lot of messages for you, Aquarius, which I'm going to receive and deliver to you. So be tuned into it. Now let's see what is the message for Aquarius. You are receiving the healing from this energy portal, healing chaos. Whatever chaos you have gone through, this energy will do your healing, and you becoming your leadership quality. You're going to do the leadership. You're standing as a leader, okay, to guide more and more people in the world, because we need you, Aquarius. We need your voice. So that's beautiful message here. Okay, thank you for giving the messages. Let me add one message from Chinese fortune reading deck. What is the message for Aquarius for this reading? Wow. What is the message for Aquarius? Some of you, Aquarius, you're going to do travel. Okay, maybe you can see a lot of number synchronicities of 555, 505, 515. That can be a possibility. Okay, you're going to receive a proposal. Okay, I told you someone is coming towards you with lot of love, so they are going to do a proposal. Maybe you are going to receive a commitment or the engagement or a marriage proposal. Okay, but the proposal is coming for you, Aquarius. And can you see the travel is here? So you are going to travel somewhere, okay, or this other person, your partner, is going to travel to you, and you both will create happy family, happy life. 10 of Cups energy, family is here. So this is beautiful. Forgiveness, yin yang, reunions. So this is beautiful. Forgiveness is required for you, Aquarius. So forgive anyone who has hurt you in the past, and forgive yourself too. There is yin yang and there is reunion. If you are dealing with your twin flame, your yin yang, the reunions are going to happen for you. This is a spiritual connection which I was talking about, that some of you are dealing with your twin flame. Okay, some of you are dealing with your soul mate. So reunions are happening for those Aquarius. Okay, in this 8-8 energy portal, you are going to, wow, it just left out, new beginnings are coming for you. Okay, new beginnings are coming for you, reunions are happening. So this energy is bringing beautiful blessings and a lot of abundance for you, Aquarius, I can say that. Okay, now let's see messages from the fairies. Thank you for giving the messages. What is the message for Aquarius? What is the message for Aquarius? See, protect your dreams, Aquarius. You need to protect your dreams. You are the guardian of the precious dreams, and they're safe in your care. Keep them close to your heart until you are ready to release them. So you need to protect your dreams. Again, the green color. You have to do your chakra healing, or your heart chakra is getting activated. You can use green and violet color for you, Aquarius. And next is new beginnings. Can you see? This is beautiful. New beginnings are going to start in your life. This energy is bringing new beginnings in your career, new beginnings in your job, new beginnings in your relationship, love. Okay, so new beginnings are coming for you. This fairy godmother hears the joyous news of a new baby, or you're going to get pregnant. Okay, the birth of a child cherished, or a birth of a cherished idea. Protect and nurture your ideas as you would be a baby. So new beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. Can you see? Protect your dreams and new beginnings are coming for you. So that's beautiful. Thank you for giving the message. Now let me add one message from Krishna Consciousness Guidance Cards. Please, Krishna, give me the messages which I need to deliver. Wow. For Aquarius for this reading. See, that's the transformation energy. 3003 is the recording reading time. Something is ending in your life, and that's what this energy is doing. They're destroying the old things, and you are going to create new creation, and this is beautiful. You're going with the flow, Aquarius. You're going with the energy. Okay, so that's very beautiful. Every situation, painful or joyous, is well written for us. See it as an observer, not as a participant. Focus on the totality of your eternal journey. Treat joy and sorrow in the same way. Death, end, or a new beginning. See, new beginnings are coming for you. All things are going to end, and there is a new beginning which is happening for you, Aquarius. That's beautiful. And there is travel if need be. Pray for your work to be done. It's time to create something new. So this is a time maybe you can do traveling. I told you maybe you can do travel somewhere, but if you are traveling somewhere, you have to create something new, Aquarius, because this is a time where you have to create something new. Okay, so this is what the message is from Krishna. Thank you for giving the messages. Okay, now let me add one message from the emotions. Okay, what emotions are you in, Aquarius, right now? Let me see what Aquarius emotions are there. Can you tell me? Please give me the emotions. What emotions Aquarius are in right now? What are the emotions, Aquarius, for Aquarius? What are the emotions? Please give me the emotions for Aquarius. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, so maybe right now you cannot take any kind of decision. Maybe you are at the crossroads and you have to make a decision, Aquarius, but you are unsure and confused. Okay, you're feeling uncertain and cannot take a decision right now, but don't worry, because you are feeling powerful and hopeful and happy, content, optimistic, and that's very beautiful energy. Maybe you cannot take right now any decision. Don't take it if you're feeling confused or unsure about it, whether to take this decision or not. But the best part is that you are feeling hopeful, you are feeling happy, and this is the energy, the new happy beginnings. Can you see? This is what you are creating from this being happy. That's very beautiful. You're feeling joyful, content, hopeful, optimistic, full of faith. You're feeling faith. You're saying that yes, everything is happening according to the divine timing and the divine plan, and have full faith in the divine. And that's very beautiful energy to be in, Aquarius. I'm proud of you. So that's very beautiful energy, Aquarius, for you. Okay, so now let me see one message from the Lovers Oracle. What is the message? Okay, this says wait, do not rush into it, allow nature to take its course. Okay, that's what I told you. If you are unsure about taking a decision, don't worry, Aquarius, don't take any decision right now. Wait for some time, don't rush into it, allow the nature to cause its own course. So that's very beautiful message. Now let's see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. Okay, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything about anything. Okay, what are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me the messages. What are the zodiac signs Aquarius are dealing with for this reading? Okay, you can be dealing with Taurus or Virgo, okay, or sign, or you can be dealing with Aquarius or Libra, air sign, and you can be dealing with Cancer or Scorpio, that's the water sign. Okay, so you can be dealing with any of these. So this is what I am having here for you, Aquarius, for this reading. I hope it will help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love, healing light to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, till the time, take care of yourself and see you soon, Aquarius.